Students, in this class we are going to see the part 4, chapter number 3, Carnot's map. In part 3 we studied about the reduction of Boolean expression using Carnot's map in sum of product form. So in this part we are going to reduce the Boolean expression by using Carnot maps in product of sum form. Students, this is the first expression we are going to simplify. So the expression is like this: a plus b, a dash plus b plus c, a dash plus b dash plus c, a plus b plus c dash, a plus b dash plus c. So this expression is known as product of sum expression. So all the terms are in the sum form. We are going to find the multiplication product. So the first step is like the same as that of sum of product form. Here also we have to draw the K map first. This is the 3 variable K map because here 3 variables are here: a plus a, b and c. So the first variable for the row and other 2 variables for the columns. So in the sum of product form, we name the row as a bar a. So here in product of sum we have to take just the opposite of sum of product. So here it is a bar, and in sum of product the name of the columns are b bar c bar, b bar c, b c bar, b c and b c bar. So just take the opposite. B bar c bar means you take b c, the dot is converted to plus. Okay, like this you have to change all the other cells. In sum of product form we give an importance for 1. Here we have to give importance for 0. So according to these terms you have to put 0 in the corresponding cells. Step number 2. Now we are going for the grouping of the cell, grouping of the K map. First you have to see, we have to give the priority for octet first. Octet means group of 8 zeros. If there is if any chance to group 8 zeros together here, no. So then we go for quad. So if we see the zeros here, 2 zeros are in the corner and 2 zeros are in this corner. So when we fold the map vertically, these 2 corners join together. So we are able to make a quad here. And another 1 0 is left here. We have to see if any way to join this 0 with other 3 zeros. There is no way to join with other 3 zeros, only 2 zeros are here. So next priority is for the pair. So we share this 0 with this 0 and make a pair. So in this K map, after grouping we got 1 quad and 1 pair. Now step number 3. We are going to reduce the expression. So from quad M0, M2, M4, M6, this is the cell numbers, okay? These are cell numbers. The rows A and A bar, here the variables are opposite form, so it get cancelled, okay? In sum of product form, if 2 terms get cancelled, we get 1. Here if 2 terms are going cancelled, then we will get 0. Okay, this is not O, this is 0. From the columns we will get b plus c into b bar plus c. Here the variables b and b bar are opposite to each other. So okay, in the columns here you see b plus c and b bar plus c. Okay, the column b plus c and b bar plus c, here the variables b and b bar are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled, we will get c. Next we will go, so the term obtained is c. 0 plus c, that is c. From the pair we will get, row representation is a, so from the row we will get a, and in the column b plus c bar. Here the variables c and c bar are opposite to each other, so it get cancelled. We will get the variable b. So from the pair we got a plus b. Therefore the simplified expression, so quad is c and here we got a plus b. So if you write c plus a plus b, then also it is okay. So if you write in order, first write the pair term obtained a plus b, then quad term obtained plus c. So this is the simplified expression. Now another one example, we are going to reduce the Boolean function f of x, y, z equal to pi. This symbol is pi. Pi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are cell numbers. Obtain the most simplified expression by using K-map. So here also three variables x, y, z. Okay. So the first variable for the row and the second variable, two variables for the columns. Here there is no expression. Here they are given the cell numbers. So if the given expression or the given cell numbers are in the product of sum form, before the numbers they give a symbol, that is pi. In sum of product, sigma, and product of sum, the symbol is pi. Okay. If the pi is there, this means product of sum. If here it is sigma, then it means sum of product. So see the cells 0. So in it is a product of sum, so we give importance for 0. So in the 0th cell we put 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 6. These cells are occupied with zeros. Step number 2. Now we are going for the grouping. First you see if there is any way to make an octet. No. Then go for the quad, grouping of 4 ones. First we will group this quad. Okay. Now here 1 0 is here, here 1 0 is there. So first you have to see if there is any way to make a quad again. Yes, if we roll the map horizontally from here to here, these two corners will touch each other and make a quad. Now all the zeros are grouped, so we stop here. Now step number 3, we are going for the reduction scheme. So first take the quad as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. From quad this 0, 1, 2, 3, the row we will get x. Okay, the row element is x. And the column elements automatically they are opposite to each other, so it will get cancelled, so we will get 0. So that term obtained is x plus 0, that is x. Now this quad 0, 4, 2, 6. Okay, the row representation is x, x bar, they will get cancelled, so we will get 0. And the column representation is y plus z and y dash plus z. Here y and y dash are opposite to each other, so we get z. So from the row we got 0 and the column we got z, only one term. So the term obtained is z. Therefore the most simplified expression is x plus x into z. Okay. So this is by using cell numbers. Now we are going to see how to reduce a K-map by using 4 variables. As same as that of the sum of product form. Okay. The cell numbers are here. The symbol is pi. This is a 4 variable K-map. So 4 columns and 4 rows. First 2 variable for the rows and second 2 variable for the columns. And you have to put the cell numbers and write the name of the cells and write fill the cells with a 0 according to these numbers. Okay, now we go for the grouping. It is very easy. First center one quad is there, and when we roll the map, these two corners join together, another one quad. Then simplify these quads, we'll get, okay, so the most simplified expression will get w dash plus y dash in the x dash plus w. Okay children, now I am going to give you some expressions and some cell numbers and some functions. Okay, some functions to reduce the Boolean expressions regarding sum of products and product of sum. Do it, practice it. Okay, this is a very important chapter, and questions will come, more questions will come in the section A from this part. So this is the end of chapter number 3.